Angular's ng template element defines a template that is not rendered by default. With ng template you can define template content that is only being rendered by Angular when you, whether directly or indirectly, specifically instruct it to do so, allowing you to have full control over how and when the content is displayed. Note that if you wrap content inside an ng template without instructing Angular to render it, such content will not appear on a page. You must utilizing template combined with structural derivatives like ngIf, ngFor, and ngSwitch in order to render the items inside the template. The code and sample are given in the description. Subscribe for more videos.